What is up, everyone? How you doing today? My name is David Franco and welcome back to my gaming channel. If this is your first time here, this is not your typical gaming channel, meaning I do not only record and upload gameplay videos. Yeah, I mean, like 80 to 90% of my content is going to be gameplay focused. But guys, I like to go beyond that. I like to go beyond the norm and talk about actual physical products. So today's video is all about a game controller rack. I have it on my phone so I don't forget, because for some reason it's just a generic box and there's no sight of the brand name whatsoever. So I went on my Amazon history. It's right here. It's from a brand name called Fess or Fez, F-E-S. And the stand cost me $26.19, which I think might be a little pricey. Maybe they could get away with selling it for like $20, $22. But you know what? As a big gamer, it's worth it, guys, because I already have one. This is the first one, right? And I liked it so much that I bought a second one. So I was about to open up the second rack, which is right here, and I thought to myself, wait a minute, why not do kind of like a live unboxing and setup video to show people how truly awesome this controller rack is. Now, obviously, this video is not sponsored in any way. I'm a very small channel. But when I find a good product that works and it just performs very well, I'm going to share my thoughts with you guys, you know, because I love this product. It makes displaying your controllers not only look good, but it makes you feel good, you know? I mean, how many times have you had controllers like this, just scattered all around your table? Sometimes they end up on the floor. Sometimes they end up on the roof of your house, you know? Not really. But I just love organization. So with that said, let's push all these controllers aside, and well, let's build this. And of course, towards the end, I will show you guys how awesome these controllers look on this stand. So let's open up the box. Bada bing, bada boom. You get 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Technically 4, because there's 2 poles in here. And you do get the base. So maybe that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. And there's the box. I don't think you get a manual, you know? Manual who? I don't know. We will never find out. So let's take out the base. It's incredibly easy to set up, guys. Incredibly easy, I promise. Everything is protected in plastic, which is always a nice touch. Let's take those out. And it is metal. This is not cheap plastic, guys. This is not cheap plastic. And this has a fairly nice weight to it. It's not incredibly heavy. I mean, it's not the sturdiest stand, I'm not going to lie. Like, it doesn't have a ton of weight to it. But if you're careful, you're not going to knock them over, you know? And plus, with all the controllers sitting on there, you're going to be adding quite a bit of weight to it as it is. All right, so let's take out these holders. This is where the controllers sit and display themselves. And by the way, this stand can hold 4 controllers, which isn't bad. And yes, it is height adjustable. Me personally, I like to have it like this. So the top piece is flush. That way it just looks good. That way you don't have the pole jutting off on the top. And this piece I put low enough where if I'm grabbing a controller from the top or the bottom, I don't want my hand hitting said controller. So for instance, let's put an Xbox controller up top and a PlayStation controller on the bottom. And look at that, we have plenty of room. I can grab this freely and I can grab this freely. It just works, guys. You know, it's a good quality stand and I really don't have any complaints. Honestly, I don't. Okay, so let's put it together, shall we? So the first piece has a thread up top. So you want to put this on the bottom and just screw it into place. It's incredibly easy, guys. Incredibly easy. And let's just put both bars on now, because we can just slide these in after the fact. And again, this is height adjustable. You can do this any way you guys want. Personally, I'm going to have mine match as closely as possible to the first one I built last week, or this week, I guess. So let's just slide this into place. Make sure it's unscrewed. Make sure it's lined up. And let me see here. So hold it into place, right? And you just tighten the screw. It's that easy, guys. There is nothing secretive about this. You know, there's no secret formula. It's literally just a controller stand. But the fact that you can adjust it per height is really cool. That's very cool, because let's face it, everybody's setup is different. And if for whatever reason you wanted to take one of these holders off and put it on here, and maybe put this one on the very bottom, put one in the middle, and one on the very top, then you can. But me personally, I like to have things match because I'm self-proclaimed OCD. Okay, so let's make sure this is aligned right. Okay, that should be pretty close. And if not, I can always adjust it. That's the beauty of this product. And now I have 2 controller stands, guys. So let's put Xbox on top. This is the Elite controller, which is not a light controller. It's quite heavy. But as you can see, it supports the weight just fine. And actually, I think I'll have one holder for Xbox and another holder for PlayStation. That way they don't fight with each other, you know? Sorry, I'm blocking my face. There you go. So let's put PlayStation over here. And I do plan on buying myself 2 more DualSense controllers. Do I need 4 DualSense controllers for someone who lives by themselves? That's great English. Basically, I live alone. That's what I'm trying to say. No, I don't need 4 controllers. But I have 4 controllers right here. So why not have 4 controllers on this side? So guys, there you have it. A very basic but incredible product. Like something, guys, it just works. You know, again, if a product does what it's supposed to and I'm impressed, I'm going to share my thoughts with you. So they have it, a very simple controller holder for less than $30. It holds 4. But again, I mean, if you want to hold 6, technically you could, but you're going to have to buy 2 of these. But yeah, overall, a great product. It's weighted fine. You can height adjust, and I don't have any complaints. You know, it is what it is. It holds my controllers, and it does a damn good job of doing that. So guys, if you want to buy this for yourself, it is linked right below. Disclaimer, that is my affiliate link, so if you buy it, I'll probably get like $1. But hey, it all adds up and it helps support me as a content creator. Guys, thank you so much. Please don't forget to click that like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more product reviews, seriously, let me know. I am completely open to doing anything gaming related on this channel. It does not have to be gameplay. I love playing games, but I also love getting my hands on physical products. So let me know. Thank you so much. I hope you're having a great day. Stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.